Hi, today I want to show you how can you run an ad campaign without using an MMP. This is a meta ad campaign I created for my mobile game, and you can see here what I spend on ads, what is my installs, CPI, retention, playtime, and you can see them day by day. If I have used Adjust or AppsFlyer, this cost me around 7 cents per install or $1,000 per month. And as a solo developer, those platform doesn't really cater to my scale. And I got all this for free. This is an open source desktop application called AdSite. This is completely private to you, and you don't need to set up a extra SDK to your game to use it. And today I want to show you how this is possible. Normally, your ad network knows what you spent, and your game know what players did, like how many levels they played, but nothing connects the two. That's the job for MMPs. MMPs collect data from ad networks and your game, and they charge you per install for that. And in your dashboard of your MMP, you see collective data and you decide how well that ad campaign performed. Now, I want to explain how AdSite works. In the current market, a new game gets almost no organic downloads in the mobile market. Nobody browsing the store and randomly finding your unknown puzzle game. So, if I'm running ads in Germany from the 1st to the 7th of August on Android, then basically everyone who installs in that window came from those ads. I don't need to use an MMP to attribute user to ads. I just need to filter analytics correctly. So AdSite pulls spends from Meta or TikTok and asks Google Analytics for the same countries, same date, same platform, and puts those together. Facebook and TikTok are most popular ad networks, and luckily they are self-attributing networks, which means they can attribute by themselves without an MMP. So we can add these networks SDK to our app and attribute for free. For the app usage analytics, we can rely on Google. Firebase or Google SDK are most used SDKs in mobile market, and they are sending all of this usage data to Google Analytics without me knowing. So if you have Firebase SDK or Google SDK in your app, you can see usage data in AdSite even now. But if you have both Ad and TikTok SDK and Google Analytics SDK, you can even start ad campaign and attribute and see results of your ad campaign for free. This is the settings page of AdSite. As you can see, I have configured Meta Marketing API and Google Analytics API. Once you set them up, you are ready to go. Now I want to make a live demo and show you how to add a game to AdSite. First, I will fetch the name of my game here and fetch my property ID of Google Analytics. Then my game has been added. I'm opening the game page and adding a platform. It's very simple, just press one button. And after that, I'm adding a campaign by add campaign button. In here, the Meta or TikTok are only options for now, since they are self-attributing networks, as I said. And here we can select, let's select the campaign. When we select the campaign, values are auto-filled, but in this campaign, end value didn't given, so I will select by hand, April, yes. And I'm pressing add campaign. Our campaign is ready. When we press it, it will fetch our values, our ads, and we can see everything we should see in here for free. We don't need to set up an ugly SDK or don't need to pay anything to anyone. This is completely free and private to you.